Hello, Vanakkam. So we have reached the end of the chapter of Attama Siddhi. Still 50 shlokas are left in this. As I told earlier, Tirumula's Tirumandiram is nice. The slokas is so poetic form, is so nice. So still 50 more shlokas are there. So what I thought is I'm not planning to do all the 50. Maybe I'll cut short the important ones. But this is the climax. We have gone through the Ashtanga Yoga, Patanjali Sutras, Yoga Sutras, and the Tirumular Tirumandiram Ashtanga Yogas, and then we did starting of the Attama Siddhi chapter. So now the one of the purpose of doing all of this is attaining the benefits siddhis. It comes, it's not a mandatory thing, it just comes on the path, but it's not achieved for everybody. So this, instead of seeing like science fiction, you can just see, oh, this is also possible, this is also possible in the human life. That's why it's written. Right? If it's not possible, great Maharishis would not have written. In the human birth, these kind of things are also extra sensory, extra human possibilities, extraordinary possibilities are listed in the Attama Siddhi. Atta Maga. Atta means eight. Eight. Atta Maga means great. Atta Maga Siddhi. The Siddhis, whatever we get. We'll see. We'll go through few of the shlokas and then I'll skip few, but I'll see, try to cover it in this the last video for the this session. Okay. So this is the third Tandiram, 11th chapter, Attama Siddhi, total 660th shloka. Okay, so we'll start. So we have covered all that. We have to go. I can't repeat again. So what all we have covered. So go and see. Okay, and தலைப்பட்ட வாரன்னல் தையலை நாடி வலைப்பட்ட பாசத்து வன்பினை மான் போல துளைப்பட்ட நாடியை தூவழி செய்தார் விலைக்கு உண்ணோர் வைத்தோர் வித்தது வாமே. So beautiful. Again, top of the head. So we have been going through this many times. So along the spine, from the Muladhara till the Sahasrara, you raise the energy. Just 1 2 points in this shloka, mainly important, which I wanted to discuss, right? வலைப்பட்டு பாசத்து வன்பினை மான் போல. Say, like a male deer reaching, you just imagine, like the female deer is caught in a trap and the male deer is trying to, so the male deer is trying to valaipatta pasattu. Valaipatta means, valai means net, caught up in the net. It could be mean physical net or pasam. Pasam means emotions. Through love, the deer is caught up, so then it can't move. Either it caught up through physically in the net or it got caught up through love. It can't move, but finally what he says, to man pola, like a deer which can't move. So what is the things Tirumala is trying to tell? You stay, you don't move. Like you are either caught up in the love or in the physical net, you don't move, you stay in the Sahasrarame. You move the energy there and stay. துளைப்பட்ட நாடியை தூவழி செய்தால். Through the center nadi is used, along the center Sushumna nadi, and it goes. Then விலைக்கு உண்ண வைத்தோர் வித்தது வாமே. See, beautiful. See, generally what you do, what the farmers do is, they, let's say they produce lot of say rice, and then they keep some rice as a seed, so for the next plantation. If you eat those rice, then next it's not used for the next plantation. See, when you try to, you just sell everything, you can't, there is nothing, there is no next, right? So what the farmers do, they keep some rice, so they use it next time for the sowing for the next, right? Similarly, if you just waste your semen instead of wasting the energy, like semen sexual energy, when you use it, keep it, hold it, like the seed can produce much more, just one seed can produce hundreds of rice paddies in the next season, right? Like that energy will multiply. Just a beautiful concept he just told in one line. Na? Vilaikku unnor vaithor vittaduvame. Vitt means the seed. Vilaikku unno means instead of just selling, wasting it, you hold on to it. Okay. So next shloka 661. This is also another same concept, just adding each shlokas. See, the idea is same. He keeps repeating the same thing, but each shloka is giving something extra. That's why there are two shlokas. If not, the same shloka is enough. No? So each shloka, there are few more tips, few more things are given. Beautiful things. Odi chendru ange oruborul kandavar, like those who run. Odi chendru, those who run from the Muladhara Sahasrara like that and find the treasure. Oruborul, you find the treasure. And then very important, நாடியுள் உள்ளதாக நாதம் எழுப்புவர். Through the nadis, inside the nadi prana, they listen, they get the sound, they get the sound which is the subtlest form of energy, to which we can feel. Like earlier thing, he was telling light. So what is more subtler than the light? The sound, that they get it. தேடி சென்று அங்கே தேனை முகத்து உண்டு. So that sound, they go and search. See, if you see honey bee, it knows where to go. You just leave it, it directly it goes to the flower. It doesn't go to any other thing. It knows where it has to go. It will directly go to the flower, pick the thing, and then get the job done, and then it will go. So like that, you don't waste your time doing anything. Directly you go and pick the flower. தேடி சென்று அங்கே தேன் அமுது உண்டு. So all the lines it just mixed up in one thing. They, like தேடி சென்று, you go search and you go and do it. Don't waste anything else. Then பாடியுள் நின்று பகைவரை கட்டுமே. So here the பகைவர் is the enemies which is all listed in the thing, like kama krodha maha motsa maha matsarya. All the 6 enemies you destroy, establish in Sahasrara and destroy the enemies. So 662. And next few more shlokas, the concept is, see, the energy which is manifested and in the world, which is always brings the mind to the outside world, everything is energy, right? Every object, every being, everything is finally energy. So that energy, everything for the siddha, for the yogi, starts coming together, starts becoming less. So the outward energy movement is less. So when everything starts coming together, then the next level of the yoga, that is the siddhis, starts happening. So I'll just share this sloka and then we'll jump few slokas, then we'll come to the Attama siddhis. Okay, so here 662. கட்டிட தாமரை ஞானத்தில் 9 மட்டிட்ட கன்னியர் மாதுடன் சேர்ந்தனர். So it's just giving a simple analogy, like there are like 9 damsel, 9 kanniyar, but this 9 represents the 9 different types of energies which keeps the mind outward. Okay, that it becomes part of the main energy. Okay, so this is in Tamil they call Vamai, Chetai, Rodri, Kali, Kalavini, Karani, Palavi, Karani, Balam, Pradamini, Saruva, Buddha, Damani, Manonmani. So these are all the 9 states, also it's called, or 9 Devis, it's referred as, or 9 states of your meditations, it's called. So finally, it merges to the main. Then when everything settles down, then the Kundalini from the Muladhara to the Agya. And this doesn't say till the Sahasrara, Agya Chakra. Because from there, Agya to Sahasrara, it's not comes through effort. Not from the effort of the yogi. It happens with the grace. Okay. So கட்டிட்ட தாமரை ஞானத்தில் ஒன்பது மட்டிட்ட கன்னியர் மாதுடன் சேர்ந்தனர் கட்டிட்டு நின்று கலங்கினியூடு போய் பொட்டிட்டு நின்று பூரணமானதே. From here பொட்டிட்டு நின்று, here Agya Chakra, it comes and becomes full. Okay, so then as I said, we will few more shlokas are like this. We'll skip those. So now the main shloka 668, where he Tirumular describes the enumeration of the siddhis. அனிமாதி சித்திகளானவை கூறில் அணுவில் அணுவின் பெருமையின் இணுகாத நேர்மை வேகார் நேர்மை பரகாயம் மேவல்ல பரகாயம் மேவல்ல அணுவத்தனை எங்கும் தானாதல் என்ற எட்டே. So we'll explain all in the next slide. Anumadi siddhigalanavai koril. So to enumerate the siddhis, what anuvil anu. So anuvil anu means smaller. See, it's not becoming small. I will explain everything in the next all shlokas. It's not becoming the body small. It's going within the atom, meaning the awareness going within the atom without the body getting the light body. So that is anima. So we'll just see, I'll just enumerate here, then we will come. So it doesn't mean the atom atom inside the atom is not coming small and going into that. No, that's not thing. But we'll see how to go. Then the lighter, lagima is becoming light. Once you become so without the body, what happens? You can travel anywhere and you can be anywhere and you can go beyond time also. Time and space, the limits you cross. That is what these things, the first 4 5 siddhis enumerate. So you cross the boundaries of time and space. Then you see to be larger than the largest, to attain anything, anywhere, wherever you want. You don't need to go. See, from here to Chennai, if you have to go, you have to physically move the body to travel, right? 350 kilometers, you have to physically move the body, right? But prapti, you don't need to go physically, you are just there. And garima, to be heavy. So we'll see, go by it. Then to go anywhere, parakayam, including other bodies, you can enter into the other bodies or touch the sky, you can go anywhere you want. Then the Isha Tattvam, Isha Tattvam, the seventh one, control all the things, all the elements, 5 elements is under your control. And then the last one, Vashita Tattvam, means you are part of everything, being in the other elements. So this, if you can't try to understand it with a logical brain, it becomes very difficult to understand with our limited awareness. If you just wonder, it's much better for now. That's all I can tell. Okay, so we will see the one more shlokas where he just explains the all the siddhis. Ettagiya siddhiyor etti rogathat. So what he is comparing, the 8 siddhis you get through the 8 limbed yoga. Kittai pranane seidar kittidum. So what these things, kitta meaning it's very difficult to get, but when you hold the prana, that is the key. When you hold the prana, pranane seidar, when you hold the prana, then they get it. They get these siddhis. Then again, otta nadunadi, the main, the pillar, nadunadi, along the nadunadi, Mulat Anubal. So crossing the Surya Mandala. See, there are 3 mandalas. Mandala means, what do you tell? They call it the Agni, Surya, and Chandra. Mandala means not physical locations, it is a field. See, first is the Agni, is the metabolism, the body metabolism, referred as the heat. Body has heat. Then the Surya Mandala is more subtler, where the energy Mandala is. Then the Chandra Mandala is the moon, refers to the mind. So these body, physical metabolism, the prana, the energy, sun, the Surya Mandala, and the mind Mandala. So when you do cross, go beyond all this thing, then Vittan Madiyunna Varum Melade, reaching the Chandra Mandala, then they get all these siddhis. Okay. Okay. This is very important shloka. This shloka says all the siddhis, you can do all the action. Attanga yoga means all physical discipline. You have to do so many tapas, all the things you have to do. But the finally siddhi comes through the blessings of the Devi. So it's not, both are required. You have to do the action, Attanga Yogam, you have to do the action, but finally the blessings comes from the Devi only. So both your hatha, your karma, everything is required, but that's not enough. The final is the blessings. Both are required. You can consider Guru or Devi or Shiva, whomever you want to consider. Finally, it's something beyond your control has to happen to get these siddhis. സിദ്ധികൾ എട്ടെൻട്രി സേർ എട്ടി യോഗത്താർ. So he says the 8 siddhis you will attain through the 8 limbed yoga, but not through only through that, but with all the knowledge and talents will also manifest. You will attain it. Buddhigalanave ellam pulapadum. Everything you will start realizing. Within, from within you will start realizing. சித்திகள் என் சித்தி தானா திரிபுரை சக்தி அருள் தரும் தான் அவள் ஆகுமே. So finally what? The blessings is required. The great Tripura Sundari Devi, whose manifestation of the siddhis, will bless you. Okay. That is when you start attaining. So first then we will see the first siddhi. எட்டிவை தன்னோடெழிற்பரங் கைகூட பட்டவர் சித்தர் பரலோகம் சேர்ந்தால் இட்டமதுள்ளே இருகல் பரகாட்சி எட்டு வரப்பு மிடத்தானின்றெட்டுமே. So this, how to tell, like this, he says the siddhas, but the siddhas main focus is not these siddhis. The siddhas focus is on the Shiva. They are meditating on the Shiva, on doing their self-development, everything, and the siddhis come to them. It's not siddhis are not the final goal. See, anyway, say again, from Bangalore to Chennai, Chennai is the goal. Let's say you're going towards the Chennai, whether you want it or not, the town called Vellore will come to you. But whether Vellore comes or not, you are not bothered. But your goal is to reach Chennai. Similarly, so your goal is to you keep going, doing all the practice, doing everything, reaching the final goal of attaining the Shiva. Then this also comes. These are the siddhi who attain the, these are the siddhas who attain the siddhis, but they see merge the great Shiva, then these things will just come to you. Then these great siddhis going beyond the physical barrier, they'll just come on to them on its own. எட்டிவை தன்னோர் ரேட்டரிற் கைகூட பட்டவர் சித்தர் பரலோகம் சேர்ந்தால் இட்டமது உள்ளே இருகல் பரகாட்சி எட்டு வரப்பு மிடத்தனின் ரெட்டுமே. All these things will come to them. Okay, this is the one of the beautiful shlokas from where it goes beyond our imagination. That's why I said start wondering. It's much better if you just wonder and just see, oh, these are also possible, instead of questioning too much with our limited knowledge. Questioning will put you down. Love, you can't go beyond all of this if you just keep intellectually questioning. Okay, mandira meru madibhanuvai matri. So indira meru, mandira meru, in the meru, it's at the top of the head. Madibhanuvai matri, so you mix the left and the right, that is the left, ida nadi pingala nadi, all those things gets mixed up here. Kandai kulir kasadara vallarikku. So in the bottom pit you hold the energy, not wasting the energy, moving all the energy, which you have been seeing so many shlokas. Then what happened? That's what he says. Then tandindri narkamiya logam sarvagum. The yogi, the siddha, attains the logam, means not planets, so it's different energy levels. So they move into the energy level of where this nerves and muscles are not there. The astral body, the subtle body, the prana body, all those things, whatever we want to imagine, you can do that. Logam, that world they attain. அந்த உலகம் அனிமாதியாகுமே. That world is, don't compare with planets. That place will give the anima siddhi. Because that, see, that's what anima, what we told, going beyond the atom. So the physical manifestation of atom, you go beyond it into the world of energy. Simple, you go into the world of energy, that is the anima siddhi. So then what we have to do in that world, mudindittu vaithor muyangi lor andil. So it says 1 year, but then I read in some commentary it's not the earth year. So Jupiter goes around the sun in 12 years. It says it's referred as the 12 years you hold, you be in that place, meaning without the bodies. See, it's simple. When you do meditation, you don't feel the body. It's, you are in the world of energy, right? In that you stay for 12 years. அணிந்து அனிமாவை தானாம் இவனும். அணிந்தது அனிமாவை தானாம் இவனும் தனிந்து தவம் பஞ்சன்னதாயதாகி. So then the yogi becomes so light because the body structure is not holding him. He is moved on from the physical mass to the energy layer, energy world, loka. So then he becomes so light, like a cotton. Like just a comparison is being made. It doesn't become cotton. Cotton is light. Mm, for us to just think, just a comparison is given like a cotton, becomes subtle like a cotton. Then what happened? Then melindang irundidum. So the yogi becomes so light and he becomes slim, weight loss happens. Nobody can defeat him. Vella onnade. He can't be defeated, surpassed by anybody. Anybody who has with the energy of the world, the our material world, the matter world, can't beat the person who was in the astral, the energy world, but he has to stay there for 12 earth years in that state. Then the next siddhi is experience is explained here. Okay. Agindra Vattani Nayagi Tannudan. So meditating on the Devi who gives the power to Nayagi Tannudan, Ogindra Tattuvam Engum Pugaladai. சாகின்ற காலங்கள் தன் வழி கண்டன் வழி நின்றடின் மாய்கின் மாய்கின்ற தையாண்டின் மாலகுவாகுமே. So after the Siddha, the yogi gets the anima and meditate for 5 years on the again the energy which is upholding him. ஆகின்ற வந்தனி நாயகி தன்னுடன் போகின்ற தத்துவம். Tattvam is the tattva of that energy which is holding it. Once he gets the anima thing and he meditates on the same thing for எங்கும் புலனதாய் சாகின்ற காலங்கள் தன்வழி நின்ற பின். Now he says last previous we told like he's beyond the physical, the atom he is surpassing. So now he says the time Sagindra Kalangal, the time which is running past Tanvali Nindrapin. He says it will be under your control. Going beyond the yogi who gets the light body and meditates on it for 5 years. Mahayindra Aindandin. So the last line says the 5 years you meditate, then gets the lagima, the energy. Then so 5 years you meditate, and then what happens? It doesn't matter whether you 5 years or 50 years because the time is under his control. The time doesn't affect him. That's what it is. Under his control means it doesn't affect him. Whether the body doesn't perish. So next shloka says Malagu Vagiya Mayanai Kandapin. When the yogis gets the Lagima and worships after he sees the Shiva, Tanoli Yagi Tare Tangi Irundidum. So he also becomes the light and glows. பாலொளியாகி பரந்து எங்கும் நின்றது மேலொளியாகிய மெய்ப்பொருள் காணுமே. Like the milk, the radiance, the glow, in present everywhere. He doesn't need to just present lighter. He can go wherever he wants. That's what the Lagima Siddhi. பரந்து எங்கும் நின்றது. It can be present anywhere. மேலொளியாகி மெய்ப்பொருள் காணுமே. The Supreme Shiva, he will start witness the supreme light. So next he tells what happened, what all the yogi can do now. Agindra kaloli yavadu kandapin. When the yogi sees the light, kandapin, when he sees beyond everything, breath, sees the light. Pogindra kalangal povadum illayam. The time which holds everything for him, Pogindra kalangal. See, last year you are at this age. Now here the time eats your age. It eats you, right? Poginra kalangal. It occupies that time. Time which holds everything. For him, it doesn't matter. Povadum illayam. For him, doesn't move. The time doesn't move for him. Menindra kalam veliyura nindra pin. So he is beyond the time. See, the time is there. We are generally you are born within that time. So you just imagine you are outside the time. Menindra kalam. So is beyond the time. Grasp of the time. Tanindra kalangal tanvaliyagum. The remaining, whatever is going to future, he can control. Tanvaliya. Tanvali means, tan means me. The yogi can control how he has to live. In the respect of time, how many time he has to live. That's why I keep saying, you just keep wondering. Wow, that becomes much easier way of understanding this. This is another beautiful shloka. Same concept. தன்வழியாக தழைத்திடும் ஞானம் தன்வழியாக தழைத்திடும் வையகம் தன்வழியாக தழைத்து என் பொருளெல்லாம் தன்வழி தன்னருளாகி நின்றானே. தன்வழியாக தழைத்திடும் ஞானம். Through him, knowledge dawns. Jnanam is the jnana, knowledge. Tanvaliyaga, through him, knowledge sprouts through him. Tanvaliyaga tadaithidum vaiyagam. Through the yogi, the world will prosper. Good things will start happening through him. Tanvaliyaga tadaithu porulellam, good great things, all the good things will start happening through him. Tanvali tannarulagi nindrani. He is blessing himself. Look, he is becoming one, starting to one with the Shiva. Tanna Arulagi. See, he says Shiva's Arul. Till now we have been talking the Shiva's Arul, right? But now, from now, what he is saying, Tirumular is saying Tanna Arulagi. Because when you become it, you bless yourself. Tanna Arulagi Nindrani. He is on his own. So when it happens, this point, when மெய்ப்பொருளால் சொல்லிய மெல்லியலாளுடன் தற்பொருளாகிய தத்துவம் கூடிட. See, that is the important thing. Again, I'm just going through this. The energy, the outside world energy, the Devi மெல்லியலாள் means the Devi, the Tat Porul, the consciousness, the Shiva consciousness gets merged. கைப்பொருளாக கலந்திட்டு மோராண்டின் 1 year the consciousness inside the Shiva and the unmanifested consciousness the Shiva, the manifested consciousness the Devi, and it merges for 1 year in the yogi, then these things starts happening. Magima. Okay. தன்வழியாகி தன்னருள். Next, Prapti. Nindrana Tattva Nayagi Tannudan. Again, yogi continues the meditation with the Devi. Nindra Tattva, the Devi who's manifested in the world, entire manifested objects in the world, and the yogi sees. That's what Devi is referred as, the energy, the manifested world. கண்டன பூத படையவை எல்லாம் கொண்டவை ஓராண்டு கூட இருந்திடில். So, not as objects. Kandana Bhuda Padayal. Bhuda means the elements, all the manifested elements. Seeing, meditating, not as elements, as the energy, and continues the meditation. Then, Vindadu Venalla Prapti Agume. That energy, the Shakti, that Siddhi, Prapti, he will attain. So, what is Prapti? Whatever he wants, he can get it. I want a Tirupati laddu. You don't need to go and you just think about it. You will start manifesting Tirupati laddu in your head. So that Shakti, the Siddha, the yogi will attain. Prapti, that is the Siddhi. You don't, we have seen maybe few cases of few gurus manifesting things from their hand. So all these things are these Siddhis. Then the next thing. ஆகின்ற மின்னொளி யாவது கண்டபின், again, and yogi sees the great light. Again and again it's referring same thing. ஆகின்ற பூவிர் பரப்பவை காணலாம். So within பாகின்ற பூவிர் பரப்பவை, பூவி means the entire bhuloka, the bhumandala manifested, our planet and everything which is manifested, all the things he can see within here. Within பாகின்ற பூவிர் பரப்பவை காணலாம். Kan means he can see. மேகின்ற காலம் வெளியுற நின்றது. Again, it is going beyond the time. The time, மேகின்ற means, see, generally he says the goat, மேகின்ற means goat eats everything, all the grasses. So like that the time is eating. மேகின்ற காலம் வெளியுற நின்றது is beyond the time. போகின்ற காலங்கள் போவதும் இல்லை. So the kala which is going, the time which is moving everybody, for him nothing happen. It is doesn't move for him. Same thing which we referred earlier also, right? போகின்ற காலங்கள் போவதும் இல்லையே. Another so beautiful shloka. I keep chanting this every nice whenever I want. There are some most beautiful shlokas. There are a lot of most beautiful shlokas in Tirumandiram. போவது தானில்லை, வருவது தானில்லை, சாவது தானில்லை, தழைப்பது தானில்லை. So as the Siddha yogi or Siddha Purusha attains the body light and goes beyond the time, போவது தானில்லை, he doesn't need to go anywhere. Since he doesn't need to go anywhere, he doesn't need to come back. He is going beyond time. சாவது தானில்லை. Since there is no death, there is no birth also. Only when you die, you will take the next birth. So, சாவது தானில்லை, தழைப்பது தானில்லை, தாமதம் இல்லை. There is no time. See, there is no, you don't say, I got delayed by 10 minutes. Sorry for the delay and all. Nothing happens because it's beyond time. தாமதமே இல்லை. So, you want to go from here to in Bangalore traffic, it will be much nicer. From here to Silk Board, you have 1 hour travel. Sometimes it might take 2 hours. Right? Tamadam illai. Yes, no delay. Tamaradinoli yavadum illai. Tamaradinoli. See, everything is made up of light. Finally, the object, whatever you are seeing in front of the world, is made up of light, right? So even that is beyond that. That light is also beyond, not there for him. No objects for him. Everything is beyond the energy. Arindu kolvarike, for who are reached that level. Okay. போவது தானில்லை, வருவது தானில்லை. You don't need to go or come anywhere. You are just there. சாவது தானில்லை, தழைப்பது தானில்லை. No death and then no birth again. தாமதம் இல்லை. There is no delay. தாமரத்தின் ஒளி யாவதும் இல்லை. There is no light. There is no object for it. So there is no object, nothingness. அறிந்து கொள்வார்க்கே. For whom? For that great yogi. Then the next parakayam. Similar. So once you go beyond the time and space, then you can go beyond the elements also. Arinda parasakti ulle amaril. So with the yogi will be with the energy Devi for again and The third line says, Parindadu Bhuda Padavai Ellam. Bhuda Padavai, all the elements, which everything is made up of, the tattvas. Not only five. In Vedas, they say different form, they say different tattvas are there. Up to 27, some Rishi counted, some 72 count. All the things, all the tattvas beyond it. Not only the five Bhuda elements, all the tattvas from which the elements are made. So go beyond that also. குவிந்தவை ஓராண்டு கூட இருக்கில். You be in that state for a year. விரிந்தது பரகாய மேவலாமே. Ability to go beyond elements. See how, what, when, wonder. See, we are made up of so much caught up in these five elements. We can't even think, conceptualize, visualize, or think what is beyond these elements. So till we reach that level, we just wonder. Parakayam, ability attains the Parakayam. Next shloka says, Ana vidakuli yavadu arigilar. See the great tattva energy, the great light. That what we are all made up of, but nobody knows. Moola Vilakoli Munne Udeva, because they are bound up by the other light, other elements, other tattvas, other thing which is all holding the, the great light which we are all made up of. Kana Vilakoli Kandu Kulvarku, who can see that great light and experience the great light? Mele Vilakoli Vidali வீடு எளிதானின்றே makes the liberation எளிதாயித். Eli means effortless. Once they see is the great light beyond our energy, for them liberation, the Shiva Tattva, attaining the Tattva becomes easy. Then the last two. This is getting beyond even the imagination of things. Another great Siddhi. நின்ற சதாசிவநாயகி தன்னுடன் experiencing Sadashiva தன் both. So till now either you are on the energy or on the Shiva is mentioned. So he says Sadashiva தன்னுடன். When both comes together with them within himself, கண்டன பூத படையவையெல்லாம் கொண்டவை ஓராண்டு கூட இருந்திடிர். Again, one more year meditating, thus combining the energies, Sada Shivanayaki, the manifested and unmanifested together. Yogi attains the Pandayavai Isha Tattvamagume. He attains that Isha. Isha is the Shiva. Isha Tattvam. Ishatvam Agume. So what is that energy? What is that Siddhi? ஆகின்ற சந்திரன் தன்னொளியானவன் ஆகின்ற சந்திரன் தட்பமாயிடும் ஆகின்ற சந்திரன் தன்கலை கூடிடில் ஆகின்ற சந்திரன் தாமனவனாமே. See, Chandran, as I told earlier, represents the mind. That's what Shiva also has, no? Chandran in this thing. So you're just comparing. Nice poetry is found in this shloka. Yogi attains the power of the growing moon, the mind within himself. He attains that power. He gets the effulgence of the moon. He attains the properties of the mind. So till now we are meditating. Mind is there. But what is happening now? The mind is the subtlest energy. Subtlest, the mind, the moon. It refers to the mind, right? He becomes that. He becomes the properties of the mind. He becomes the universal mind. That mind is the same. My mind is the same mind that you are and the universal mind. Tan avanami. Tan avan ami. So you become that. So hum. that happens. So aham. Agindra Chandiran, like the yogi, Tan Avanami. So he becomes the Shiva. So again, just wonder. Then what does the Siddhi he get? When it happens, Tane Padaitida Vallavanayidam. He can create. Tane Alitida Vallavanayidam. He can maintain. Alitida means he can maintain or give. Tane Sangara Talaivanamayidu. He can destroy like the Rudra. Tane Sivanennum Tanmayanami. So how to tell this? Wow. See, in this religion, in the Hindu religion only, the manifested mortals, it says you can attain the state of the God, the final state, anything. So you can compare in any other text of any other religion. They say you are here, God is there. You pray to the God, all those things are there. Till now it was happening. But now what is this final thing? What it says? Tane Sivanennum Tanmayanami. He says, I am the Shiva. I am the this. And has the power to create, has the power to maintain, has the power to destroy. தானே படைத்திட வல்லவனாயிடும் தானே அழித்திட வல்லவனாயிடும் தானே சங்கார தலைவனுமாயிடும் தானே சிவனென்னும் தன்மையனாமே. See, there is a story, right? Vishwamitra Maharishi, he created a heaven. That's a story, right? For a king who the king wanted to enter heaven, but heaven doesn't allow him because through the body, through the mortal physical body, you can't enter that loka. That loka is of the energy people, devas. So, but the king wanted to go with the physical body. Vishwamitra says, I will take you, I will send you there. But the Indra doesn't allow. So then what Vishwamitra did? He created heaven. தானே படைத்திட வல்லவனாயிடும். He becomes like a creator. He can create. That is the power. Next shloka says, தன்மையதாக தழைத்த கலையினுள் பன்மையதாக பரந்த ஐம்பூதத்தை. So when you do like meditation, samyama, in the mind of the five elements, in that state, வன்மையதாக மரித்திடில் ஓராண்டில், merges the both, the manifested and the unmanifested. For 1 year, he is in deep contemplation, meditation, samadhi, samyama on that. Then மென்மையாகதாகிய மெய்ப்பொருள் காணுமே, attains the highest, subtlest. Highest here means the most subtlest state he can reach, attain, experience. So then the last siddhi starts happening to him. The final, the subtlest energy or mind, beyond the mind, whatever you want to call it, he becomes that. The yogi till now he says you can control. Ishito means you can control those things. But now he says he is part of it. மெய்ப்பொருளாக விளைந்தது வேதனின். What happens when the yogi like continues? நற்பொருளாகிய நல்ல வசித்துவம். So நற்பொருளாகிய, the greatest siddhi, வசித்துவம் is attained. கைப்பொருளாக கலந்த உயிருக்கெல்லாம். See, கைப்பொருள் means something is there in my thing, you can just see. Something is there, you can just see this. Right? கைப்பொருளாக கலந்த உயிருக்கெல்லாம். So he is like merge into everything very easily. தற்பொருளாகிய தன்மையாகுமே. So he becomes all the things, and then so what else is left? He can attract, he can every, like you can see from here. Oh, like we see, oh Shiva, and then get attracted to Shiva, like, or whatever the god. So like that, everybody will start getting attracted to him. Not in the physical level, not at the mental level. More subtler level, they become him, and they make, he can do whatever he want with them, but not for something personal, because there is no personal when you reach that state, right? தன்மையதாக தழைத்த பகலவன் மென்மையதாகிய மெய்ப்பொருள் கண்டிடின். Yogi who attains the quality of the Shiva, the Pagalavan, shines like a sun, and then menmayaga, subtlest self. This is the self-realization, which we all have been hearing in so many contexts, but this shloka is actually telling it. Menmayadagiya Maipurul Kandide. He can see the self. He can't see, the self can't see it. The self sees itself, experiences itself. பொன்மையதாக புலன்களும் போயிட. Body shines like gold, and now the subtlest senses also withdraws from him. Bondage, the senses also drops off from him, withdraws. புலன்களும் போயிட நன்மையதாகிய நற்கொடி காணுமே. He sees the subtlest, which is the blessing, Shiva and the Shakti energy. He attains and sees. நற்கொடியாகிய நாயகி தன்னுடன், and the yogi contemplates Shakti and Shiva within himself. அக்கொடியாக அறிந்திடில் ஓராண்டில், again he merges with them for one more year. பொற்கொடியாகிய புவனங்கள் போய் வரும். See here, Bhuvanam, again it's not planets, there are different lokas, Bhuvanam, which is different energy. You can just consider different frequency levels. You can go, like we are in earth frequency level, means where you can see. Go to a different frequency, that is heaven. So like that, there are different frequency levels, right? Bhu, Bhuva, Suva, Maha, Jana, Tapa, Satya. So that is, he can go wherever he want, he can travel to all the lokas. But when you attain everything, you don't need to go to all lokas. Kar Kodi. Kar means stone. Kodi means like a creeper in a stone. Meaning it doesn't move, it just stays. He is being there. Kamuganami. Meaning he has attained the Kamugan, means is the desire, god of desire, Kaman. Right? So that also he has over. So finally he says what? He has overcome the desires also, not desiring anything, because you attained everything. Overcoming the greatest evil, desire. That is also beyond him. Kamaru Tattvamanadu Vandapin. So then, so when you reach that thing, which is, you attract everybody. Like one is the previous sloka says, you don't desire anything, then the others will start desiring you. Like you can attract anything, you can do anything, whatever with other beings. You can control, you can attract, because they are attracted to you. Bhoomaru Gandham Bhuvanamadaidam. Like the mind, the smell inside the flower, like the flower and smell all together. Like that, all the Bhuvanamad, all everything and all the lokas, you can merge within him, or you can go see, attain, attract, whatever way you want to, you can visualize this. மாமரு வன்னிடை மெய்த்திடமானாய் நாமருவும் ஓள நாயகமானதே. He becomes the Lord which is adored by all. Nayagamanade, the Lord. Hmm. Okay, so still another 10-15 more shlokas are there, but it's all same thing. The entire Ashtama Siddhis enumerated and explained, and then similar another 10-15 more shlokas are given till the end of this chapter. But I would suggest the same thing if you are very much interested. There are books and things where you can start reading much more of the Attama Siddhis. At least we can read. Whether we attain it or not, it's up to the Lord. We can do our duty and then whomever we want. The Guru or the energy, Shakti or Shiva will bless to experience the Siddhis. Okay, so thank you for watching. For the past so many months, I started with Patanjali Yoga Sutras and then along with the Tirumala Tirumandiram, and then I did some more series and then doing the Attama Siddhis of Tirumala Tirumandiram. Thank you for watching. It has been really so nice doing this. Next, I'll start something new. Nice. So if you like it, share it, comment it.